Hi. So the reason I've called my account The Drunken Ramblings, I look albino, yes, hello, hi, is because that is literally just what I'm doing right now. I do not know how to edit. I do not know what Snapchat, TikTok, etc. is. I'm at an awkward millennial age, so go figure. So yeah, I would like to talk on issues in society because I'm woke as frick. My best friend died last year. I've even got a sub story. I've got a narrative. So yeah, it's Miss Daisy. I'm outside the police station with my can of cider, and there's a lot of background noise, but this is how we do it. We do it messy, we do chaos. I've always been terrified of being cringy, and then I thought, you know what? Embrace the cringe. I'm cringe embodied. So yeah, I just want to film random shit, have fun with it. Voila! Here's a train. Choo choo.